In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 200 by 8 using the long division method. See that these 2 is less than 8, so we will consider the number 20. From the multiplication table of 8, we know that 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 4. Now this 4 is less than 8. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. And we know that 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 200 divided by 8 is equal to 25. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.